How to apply a formula to an entire column in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply click on the cell and then add your formula. I want to sum this, so simply equals the first cell plus sign and then second cell. Press on enter. After the answer has appeared, you can simply click on the cell. At the bottom, you can drag it. But if you have long lists, it will be very difficult to do that. So what you can do is simply hold on to the bottom right corner of your screen of your cell. Simply hold on and you'll find black plus button. Double click on that side after plus button appears and you'll find all the formula answer till the bottom. This is how to apply a formula to an entire column in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.